So we're going to do like we did when we had distance learning. I have some cool things in a box, and I'm going to give you some hints. And then when I count to 3, we can say what we think it is. All right? So I got this box out of my garage today, and I thought I would bring some cool stuff to see if we could guess what it is. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here's some clues. It's something you eat. This one is round. You use it for a celebration. Oh, and you could put candles on it. Oh, hang on. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if that's what it is. It is a cake. Nice. All right, I have 2 more things. All right, let's wait until Mrs. Brown counts to 3 before we say what it is, okay? Here we go. This one shines really bright. There's all different sizes of these, and if it were dark outside and I needed to find something, I might turn this on so I could see. What? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you guys are such great guessers. Look, it's a flashlight. Nice. All right, I have one more thing. You ready? All right, here we go. This one is fuzzy, so it's kind of hairy. They can be black, they can be brown, they could even be white. They live in the forest or at a zoo, but this one is one that I could cuddle with at nighttime. 1, 2, 3. And
A berry.
A little bear. Nice job. Give yourselves a pat on the back. All right, everybody get your quiet coyote. His ears are up and his mouth is closed, ready to listen. I have a really cool book today, and it is called What is Inside This Box? Kind of like the game we just played. And the author is, what is the author job?
Make
What's-
the pictures.
No. Think again. What does the author do?
And the author writes the
Writes the words. You're right. The author writes the words. And the author of this book is Daywalt. And what does the illustrator do?
Write the words.
Draws the pictures. You're right. And her name is Olivia Tillett. All right. Here we go. What is inside this book? There's a question mark.
Oh, looks like it's a cake.
That means it's asking us a question. What is inside this book? Here's my title page. And remember, these are kind of like the Elephant and Piggy books. They have the words up here in this bubble, the speech bubble. So here we go. Hello, monkey. Hello, cake.
What?
What do you have? I have a box. It is a big box. It is a big box. What is in it? A kitty cat? A kitty cat is inside this box? Ooh, I love kitty cats. Can I see it? No, you cannot. It is a magic cat.
That's weird.
Why can't I see the magic cat? Because the cat disappears when I open the box. So when you open the box, there is no cat inside? Yes. And when you close the box, there is a cat inside? Yes. When I open the box, there is no cat. But when I close the box again, the cat is back in the box.
I think it's another cat.
How do you know there is a cat in the box when it is closed?
Cake is mad at him. I think there's another cake.
How do you know there is not a cat in the box when it is closed? I don't think there is a cat inside when the box is closed. Why not? I think that there is no cat in the box when it is open. And when you close the box, there is still no cat inside it.
It's gonna be another cake.
You can think anything you want about what is inside the box when it is closed.
Please open it, Mommy.
I can? Yes, you can. Then I think that there is a dinosaur in the box when it is closed. You do? Can I see it? No. It is a magical dinosaur, and when you open the box, it disappears.
It's not the cat.
I still think it is a cat. And I think it is a dinosaur.
What? I don't love a dinosaur.
Well, we will never know. You are right. We will never know.
Open the box. Open the box. I think it's another cake.
If you open it, what happens?
Disappear.
The cat disappears. If you close it, what happens?
Is it really?
The cat appears. And what is else in there if you close it?
Dinosaurs. Hey, Mrs. Brown, what if they tear the box a little hole so they can peek in?
Ooh, maybe they could do that. But would that be opening the box?
No. I know. Maybe when they open it, they can look in, but instead they can close it back up. I know. Maybe it could be a T-Rex.
I don't know. So let me ask you. If you think it is a cat inside the box, touch your head.
I don't even know. I know what it is.
All right, hands back in your lap. If you think it is a dinosaur in the box, pull your ear.
I know. I think it's a cake. I think it's a dinosaur.
All right, you ready for this?
Hey, I hope it's a cake. I hope it's a cake, Mr. Brown.
They're looking at the box. They can't decide. Cat or Cake thinks it's a dinosaur, and the monkey thinks it's a
Cat. But I don't think it's cat. It's a cake. You didn't know what I think it's a cake.
Let's go get some pie. Okay. I love pie. Did they open it or close it?
No.
They didn't check to see what's in there.
What's the cake?
What's that peeking out?
A cat.
A cat is peeking out. You ready for this?
Yes.
You sure you're ready?
Yes. It's a dinosaur.
The end. What came out of there?
Dinosaur.
So who was right? The cake or the monkey? Both of them were right. There is a dinosaur and a cat in there.
I did dinosaurs in there.
That was pretty cool. If you liked that book, thumbs up.
I got 2 thumbs up.
If you thought it was okay, sideways. And if you didn't like it, thumbs down.
I just both.
I thought that was a pretty cool book to see what was in the box. All righty. Touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Put your spoons in your bowl. Everybody give your brain a hug. You did a really good job of guessing. Nice work.